Din, can you explain, help us explain in in vernacular or in Filipino, yung bang fourth degree ng consanguinity or affinity, hanggang saan ho ba yon sa Filipino culture?
Well, in layman's terms, Ted, yung fourth degree, yun yung first cousin mo. Yun yung first cousin mo. See?
Mm-mm.
Or anybody in that position. So, for example, yung anak ng kapatid ng tatay mo o anak ng kapatid ng nanay mo, that is your relative by the fourth degree of consanguinity. Kung affinity naman, by relation of marriage.
Mm-mm.
Pero you see that the moment you make it that broad, the chances that the Senate and the lower house will agree are very slim.
Mm-mm.
Kasi masyadong malawak na, no? Pero pag ginawa mong second degree lang, the chances of getting approval are much higher because you are limiting it to second degree of consanguinity or affinity.
Hanggang saan saan po ulit, Father Dean, ang second degree?
Kapatid mo. Kapatid mo. Kapatid mo o asawa ng kapatid mo.
Okay, pero kapatid mo o asawa ng kapatid mo at yung
Yes.
magulang, 'di ba? Magulang, kapatid.
That's direct line.
Opo,
Magulang.
direct line. Okay.
Magulang, anak, or kapatid.
Okay. Opo.
Or asawa ng kapatid.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!